Anish Soni, President of GJM. All dignitaries, guests, exhibitors, press people present here, and ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning, a lovely morning today, because it was this particular year that we were having very warm days in December, but we are happy that today, when the show is being inaugurated, the weather is favorable. And I hope that industry-wise also, the weather will be favorable. When we started with a very humble beginning of Jaipur Jewelry Show in 2000, this is the 11th edition. We made 56 booths at Entertainment Paradise with the objective of promoting what Jaipur has to offer in terms of jewelry. Because Jaipur was well known all over the world as gemstone cutting center. But after the taking back of Gold Control Act, the jewelry started in an organized sector. So we learned from Bombay, Mumbai, where the diamond people started making jewelry. And gradually, Jaipur became a hub of jewelry making in an organized sector. And Sitapura Industrial Area is a fine example of that. So few people from the industry thought that why not we organize a show so that people from, at least from our country, they should come and see what Jaipur has to offer and what are the developments taking in Jaipur. And today we see that it is the most successful show and the largest show in the country in B2C area. Of course, the B2B is IIGS, which is the largest, which is the international show. We cannot say JS is an international show, but it is the largest domestic show. And today we have 500 booths. We could take up to 800 or 1,000 if we don't have space restrictions, like it's a small place, and this is the largest place which is available in Jaipur. But then also we have covered about 100,000 square feet area. The good thing is that 89% of our exhibitors are repeated. So that shows that in the last shows they got good business. And that is the reason that 90% of the exhibitors come back and they say they want more space. We have a huge waiting list of the companies from Jaipur and all over the country. They also want to participate. But unfortunately, we don't have space. We have 457 booths precisely, and there are 294 exhibitors which are participating. And the good thing is that out of 294 booths, 125 companies on 143 booths are designer booths. When you all will go inside, you will witness that they have put in lots of efforts, creativity and lots of money, of course, in erecting their booths. This year, although there were space restrictions, but we could accommodate 13 more companies of jewelry. But unfortunately, we could not accommodate machinery and ancillary section this time because some changes have been done in this hotel. So I, on behalf of our Jaipur Jewelry Show Working Committee, apologize with the friends who are into machinery and ancillary section that we could not accommodate you this year. But I'm sure next year, some way or the other, we would try to accommodate you because that is also a major part for the industry. Then we have done some new things this year, which are 4 workshops, which will be very productive for creative designers, because we have invited 4 designers from all over the world. 2 are international and 2 are from India. They would be giving us lectures on how we could fusion jewelry with other kinds of things. And from last year we started IJJJS award, where there is a competition of jewelry, and from 500 entries all over the country, 70 companies participated, and 24 are shortlisted. In the evening in Hotel Marriott, the function will take place, and that brings here the top-notch retailers of the country that add value to the Jaipur Jewelry Show. And of course, GJF comes with their full team at the time of Jaipur Jewelry Show. I'm very thankful to them that they hold their board of directors meeting in Jaipur at the time of show. So that brings in about 75, because all the top retailers of the country are member of GJF. Unfortunately, I am not, but maybe if Harish Soni permits me, I'll become a member this year. So this is how we try to invite, and then there is a list of about 50 top retailers which are left. Either they are not coming through GJF or otherwise. We invite them, we provide them hospitality. The main objective is that they all should come and see what Jaipur has to offer and generate business. And I'm sure this year our exhibitors will generate more and more business. Rest, everything is almost about same, but jewelry and designing, you will see new things in the show. This year we have introduced a new application on Android and Apple. You can just download JJS and you can see every 15 or 20 minutes what is happening live in the show on YouTube, on Facebook. So we have tried to bring in technology also so that any part of the trade which is left out, which have not been able to visit this show, they can see what is happening here. We have tried our best to make this show as useful as possible, but there are few problems because Jaipur till now doesn't have an exhibition center, and we have to erect a shamiana or a dome, which we have done this year. We have tried to do our best, but then also it is your show because it is a non-profit organization. It is for the trade and by the trade. So if there is anything left out, you please excuse us for that because it is your show. I thank you all. Thanks to my team, my office staff, and everybody present here to be the part of this show. Thank you so much.